Whoever invented this jasmine milk jelly desserts and award is pure possibly the most refreshing summer dessert ever created and shockingly easy to make. Start with 30 grams of clear jelly powder in your glass. Pour in boiling water and stir until completely dissolved. Watch as it transforms into a crystal clear canvas for flavors. Now the star ingredient, 100 ml of fragrant jasmine tea, steeping its floral aroma into every molecule. After 2 hours in the fridge, you will uncover a crumbling, translucent jelly with the most satisfying bounce. The magic happens when you pour over ice cold milk. Watch how it cascades through the jasmine-infused cubes, creating swirling patterns like edible art. That first spoonful is pure summer bliss. The delicate floral notes playing against the rich creaminess, all at a temperature that instantly cools you down. It's elegant enough for dinner parties, yet simple enough for weeknight treats. One temperature so this will become your go-to. No fancy equipment, no complicated steps, just 3 ingredients and some patience while nature works its magic in your refrigerator.